Dude, I just got.
I got first.
So did I.
Yeah, but I automatically win.
What I really love about this event in particular is just the personal contact we have with all the customers. He ended up getting the AHT Operator 3.0 and the DPM, so took everything off his belt and then installed it on here, so that's first class here.
So the highlight for the week, I would say, is getting to get face-to-face with customers that are overseas, getting to see what their actual end-user feedback is. Yeah, so I'd say the biggest product is obviously the new DPM. It's absolutely killed it out here. We're almost sold out as is. But yeah, talk to these guys and see how they're loving it and what the comparison is to the other products out there on the market and how we make it better from here.
So we just finished up the vendor event over there at Ohio Range Day. Now we're over at Rogers Range and we're gonna do a little friendly competition here.
About to find out who's really sub-subbing.
Shooter's ready, stand by.
You get it?
Yeah, come on, you know. Okay, 2 out of 3 then.
I think I missed one. What'd you get?
I missed 0. Yeah.
17.
7.
I got perfect on the last
So did
one.
I.
Yeah, but
didn't
I
miss any.
automatically win because I was already.
What do you mean, bro?